Hey everybody, Steve Lennon, website developer. Today I'm going to talk about Vectera. It's an online meeting solution, up to 6 participants. It's fantastic. You should check it out. And it's called Vectera Meetings. I believe that's what they're calling it. Uh, but let me show you what you can do. So I have a meeting here that I created, and when you click on the button, it's going to go ahead and open up to a meeting that's going to look like this when you start a meeting as a presenter. And then what you can do is you can upload an image, and the image size for this image here is 1920 pixels wide and 1080 pixels going north and south. And when I click on the image, because it's an image that's been uploaded in here through the upload file, I can go ahead and have it as a screenshot. So when the presenter is waiting for all the participants to come into the meeting, the participants on the other side will be seeing this when they log in, when you send them the link. Okay, and it's easy as that. You just go ahead and go here, you copy the link and send them the link in an email, or you go right here and you put an email address in here and hit send. And you have people that sign up and then they open up and go into it. And this is what they're going to see in the beginning. And then when you actually start the presentation, all you have to do is just go right here and click to get rid of it. And then you can go ahead and start your screen share and do whatever you want to do. So this is a great way to do it, and I just wanted to show you it's another trick to be able to show a splash page before you have the session go live, and you just want to have people come into it. So hope you enjoyed the session, and I'll probably be bringing more.